In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create users in Zoho projects and assign tasks. Start by opening Zoho projects and going into the project where you manage your work. From the left side menu, open the Tasks section. This is where you can see every task in the project, including tasks that have not been assigned to anyone yet. Once you are on the Tasks page, look for the Unassigned view and click it. This filters your list, so you are only looking at tasks that do not currently have an owner. Keeping an eye on this view is a simple way to prevent work from slipping through the cracks, especially when new tasks are added by different team members. Now, click the task you want to assign. In the Task Details area, select the highlighted Assignment area. You may see several highlighted fields in a row as you click through the task options. Keep clicking the highlighted assignment-related field until the assignment picker is active. This is the control that lets you choose who should own the task. When you are reviewing these fields, take a moment to confirm you are working on the correct task name, since it is easy to open a similar task by mistake in a busy list. If the right person is not available to select, you will need to add them to the project first. To do that, go back to the left side menu and click Users. This takes you to the project user list, where you manage who has access to this project. On the Users page, click Add Users. In the Add Users window, click the highlighted selection area and choose the person you want to bring into the project. This selection step is important because it determines who becomes available for task assignment in this project. After you have selected the user, click Add to confirm. Once the user is added, they will appear in the project user list, and they will be available as an assignee when you return to your tasks. At this point, you can go back to the Unassigned Tasks view and assign the task to the newly added user using the assignment field you opened earlier. That covers everything you need to know.